Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at VAPA, Vista Academy of Visual and Performing Arts in Vista, California, part of the Vista Unified School District. I got to speak to all the grades again today at their school on another very important topic, diversity and the need for human kindness, which you see is the shirt that I wear for this particular assembly. And you see the peace signs inside the heart where peace has to begin. There's also two people in this heart because kindness isn't just about showing it to ourselves, we have to show it to others as well, right? And it's so important we do that because it may just be affecting that one person or two people or group of people that we show the kindness towards. It could affect that anybody that's in earshot or eyesight of the kindness, the action or the words, them seeing it or hearing it, it could change their heart forever too, right? And the fact that we, have this potential, to uplift or to bring down, I think this is so important because like we talk about a couple times throughout the presentation is that one act of kindness can change the world, right? And it truly can because it could be someone's world, right? Not necessarily the entirety of this whole planet, but the more that we can choose love, let that love out, let it break free, burst out of here, our hearts, the more that we start to see a true difference being made, right? And this particular program, it's a little bit heart heavy. There's a lot of heartfelt stories, of course, like always, the picture slides that reinforce them, the inspirational videos, the positive hip hop music, all that combined, there was definitely a lot of pin drop moments where the students related to some of the stories that I shared, some of the anecdotes that really touched their heart. And, like the one story that I do always share is a second grader that said, hey, Mr. Peace, I want to tell you something. And she's like, I'm kind to everyone. I said, that's great. And she said, yeah, I think I was born kind. And I kind of had to laugh inside a little because all of us are born kind. We're all born nice. We have to learn to hate. We have to learn to be mean, right? We can always unlearn that if we choose to, right? And if we choose that unconditional love, right? That love without any conditions, that no matter if somebody's taller than us, shorter, wider, skinny, or different skin color, disabled or not, we can always rise above that hate and really show them kindness, right? And that means we have to also appreciate diversity, which is our differences. Could be on the outside, could be on the inside, could be how we're born, how we walk, how we talk, how we see, how we learn, the foods we eat, the languages that we speak, the clothes that we wear. We definitely have to respect everything on the outside, but also what's on the inside. So we went through a list of what they're talented at, whether it's singing, dancing, drawing, sports, etc. And we have to be able to respect people for whether they're great at something or not so great at something, right? And that's what's inside them, right? Their gifts. And if we can really try to appreciate, what's on the outside and on the inside, now we start to make this world a lot better place. So thanks for touching my heart. It was another great day, talking about kindness, talking about peace. Have a great rest of 2024. I'll see you again in 2025 for a few more visits. As always, though, feel free to hit the subscribe button to see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.